Hello friends, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Amit's Biology. Dear student, today we discuss about microgametogenesis because in this process we discuss about the formation of the microgamete or male gamete, because in the previous video lecture we discuss about microsporogenesis process, and in that process we see how the microspore or pollen grain form from microspore mother cell. Okay, so today our topic is microgametogenesis. Microgametogenesis is the process, I again repeat, microgametogenesis is the process in which microgamete or male gametes are produced. Microgametes or male gamete or sperms produced. So these are known as microgametogenesis process. Next, so before we going to the topic, first we discuss about the structure of microspore. Structure of microspore, and you know microspore is the precursor for the microgametogenesis process. The microspore is the first cell of male gametophyte. Okay, so now we discuss about structure of pollen grain. So structure of pollen grain. So first thing, pollen is uninucleate, then haploid. Why it is haploid? Though it contains single set of chromosome, because the microspores are the product of meiosis. When the microspore mother cell, which has the genetic content 2n, when undergoes meiosis or reductional division, they produce the microspore. So the genetic content of pollen grain or microspore is haploid. Then, so pollen has an outer covering known as pollen wall. This pollen wall is divisible into two types. This outer is known as exine, which is thick, and spinous, or you say it is dentate in nature. The inner wall is known as intine. Inner wall is known as intine, which is thin and delicate. Which is thin and delicate. तो पोलेन वाल देखिले, पोलेन वाल हला दीटा टाइप्स रहिला, गोटे हला आउटर वाल, गोटे हला इनर वाल. आउटर वाल को एक्साइन कहा जाए. एक्साइन होची थिक एंड स्पाइनस, एंड द इनर वाल इज नोन एज इंटाइन. इंटाइन इज थिन एंड वेरी मच डेलिकेट. नेक्स्ट, तो first we discuss about exine. Exine is made up of a chemical known as sporopollenin. So exine is made up of chemical known as sporopollenin. Sporopollenin is a biologically resistant substance. Exine is a biologically resistant substance because it is biologically, exine contain biologically resistant nature because it has a chemical known as sporopollenin. This sporopollenin provide protection to the pollen grain from adverse environmental conditions like high acidity, alkalinity and temperature. तो यही सब एनवायरमेंटल एडवर्स एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन रु पोलेन को प्रोटेक्शन दिए स्पोरोपोलेनिन. स्पोरोपोलेनिन रा प्रोटेक्शन कोन पई देला? बिकॉज ऑफ द हाई को थ्रू प्रोटेक्शन देला हाई एसिडिटी, हाई अल्कालिनिटी एंड हाई टेम्परेचर रु पोलेन को प्रोटेक्शन देला. तो पोलेन सहजरे तेणु डिग्रेडेशन हेई पारे नाही. तो बायोलॉजिकल डिग्रेडेशन बा नेचुरल डिग्रेडेशन पोलेन रा डिले हुए काहे कि ना प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्पोरोपोलेनिन. सो for the presence of sporopollenin, fossil formation of the pollen grain is possible. Next, the inner exine deposition is not uniform. Exine deposition is not uniform. At certain places exine is absent. Exine is absent at certain places of the pollen grain, and this layer is known as and this form a pore, and this form a pore like structure known as germ pore, from which intine comes to form a pollen tube. ओके तो एक्साइन डिपोजिशन यूनिफॉर्म न थाए माने किछि पोर्शन एक्साइन डिपोजिशन न थाए जो जगह पोलेन रो एक्साइन न थाए से जगह गोटे थीन पोर थाए से पोर को तुमर कहा जाए जर्म पोर जो जगह की पोलेन जर्मिनेशन हुए. Next comes to intine. Intine is thin and delicate. Its composition is pectocellulosic in nature, means it is made up of pectin and cellulose. It is made up of pectin and cellulose. Okay, at the time of pollen germination, intine comes out from a pollen tube. Okay, in some insect pollinated plants, an outer oily yellow color viscous substance is found known as pollen kit, which adhere to the body of insect and transfer to the long distance at the time of pollination. Okay, so this is the feature of insect pollinated plants. So now we come to the topic, that is the exact gametogenesis process. तो then formation है केमिति हम गैमेट फॉर्मेशन हबा, because we know a pollen contain a single nucleus. एही single nucleus रू बा single nucleated pollen रू केमिति pollen gamete बा male gamete रो formation हबा. So this is the structure of a pollen grain. This is the exine, this is intine, this is pollen nucleus, this is germ pore. So what happened at the time of gametogenesis? At the time of gametogenesis, first the nucleus undergoes mitosis, but this mitosis is not complete mitosis because it do not follow, only the nuclear division followed but no cytokinesis. Only the nuclear division is followed, there is no cytokinesis. So inside the pollen, two nucleus are formed. One is vegetative nucleus or tube nucleus, because it is helps in the pollen tube formation, so it is known as vegetative nucleus, is otherwise known as tube nucleus. Another is known as generative nucleus. Then after that a unequal cytokinesis takes place, unequal cytoplasmic division takes place, which produces vegetative cell to larger and generative cell is smaller, which converted vegetative cell to larger, vegetative cell and a smaller generative cell. So this is known as two-celled stage. And the maximum pollen dehiscence by pollen dispersal method occur at two-celled stage. The maximum plants, they shed their pollen grain at two-celled stage. Then in some plants what happen, the generative cell undergoes second mitosis to produce two male gametes. This is known as three-celled stage. So three-celled stages are exceptional or rare in nature, but the two cells are the maximum. Okay, so common होची two-celled stage and a rare occurrence होची three-celled stage. So after the formation of the two male gamete and the vegetative cell, then the pollen germinate. The pollen transfer to the surface of the stigma. The pollen transfer to the surface of stigma and get moisture from the stigmatic surface and becomes activated. The inactive cytoplasm of the pollen grain becomes activated and form pollen tube. At the surface of stigma. The entire content of the pollen grain, means cytoplasm, vegetative nucleus and two male gamete, when come to the pollen tube, then the backward flow of pollen grain is inhibited by formation of Callot plug. The reverse flow of pollen content from the pollen tube does not occur due to the presence of callose plug just behind the tip, because the tip portion is growing. The tip portion is growing, but the rest of the portions are non-growing. Tip portions are growing, but the other portions are non-growing, and the non-growing, the pollen content of the pollen tube tip do not revert back to its original position due to the presence of callose plug. So now we discuss about entire topic, that is the development of male gametophyte, which contain two steps, that is the microsporogenesis that we discussed in the previous lecture, and today we discuss about the microgametogenesis. So microsporogenesis and microgametogenesis, the entire two steps combinedly known as development of male gametophyte. So our long question, development of male gametophyte, completed.